Hello everyone, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faisi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video I am going to explain about photochemical reactions. So before discussing reactions, discuss some point. This is the pictorial diagram. You see absorptions of light in first steps produces electronic excitations, that is unstable. You understand it? Means absorption of light produces electronic excitations, and after electronic excitations it dissipations mechanisms, it loses their energy, dissipation mechanism. So there is a two pathway, either radiative mechanism, either non-radiative mechanism or radiationalist mechanism. In radiative mechanism, phosphorescence and fluorescence. You know the meaning of fluorescence or phosphorescence. If you don't know, then go through my previous video, then you will find the answer. Net effect, light to light, H nu to H nu prime. Now non-radiative transitions, radiationless mechanisms, there is a chemical and there is physical. Chemical, singlet and triplet. Physical, internal conversions, intersystem crossing. What is the net effect? Light to chemistry. Del nu converted into del G, which is free energy. Light to heat, H nu converted into Q. So just keep in your mind this pathway of photochemical reactions. Now, energy transfer and photosensitizations. It is a one-step radiationless transfer of excitation energy from an electronically excited molecules, donor, to the ground state of the another molecules, acceptor. As a result, the donor molecules return to the ground state and the acceptor molecule get excited. For energy transfer, the donor molecule should have at least 5 kilocalorie per mole more energy than the acceptor molecules. So typical mechanism for triplet energy T1 transfer is described below. You can see this is the ground state S0, donor, it undergo N2, pi star H nu, singlet state S1, you see singlet state 1D, because it must be different from the ground state to singlet state. And singlet state S1, this up and down, goes triplet state 3D, triplet state T1. Now triplet state T1 combined together ground state is 0 A, but we started from ground state D, now it is A. So this is the donor and this is the acceptor. Now it accept, it becomes the triplet state T1 3A, and you see ground state D. So I started from here and return back here. Again triplet state T1 3A, this 3A give the products. So where D is donor, A is acceptor, 1 is singlet and 3 is triplet. So concentrate on this map and this type of phenomenon in your mind, then you will understand what is the donor. Here it is in singlet state and S0's ground states, how it is singlet state, how is the singlet state converted into triplet state, how triplet state transfer energy to the ground states of another acceptor and triplet state ground states. So if it is in your mind, then you will understand the reactions. So energy transfer between butadiene as an acceptor and benzophenone as donor. Butadiene acceptor upon direct irradiation lead to produce product 2 and 3 via ring closures. You see, this is one, it go like that, or either photosensitizer, it dimerizes like that. So total 5 product with a single compound. So how it is possible? So if you know this type of phenomenon, then you will understand how 5 product from single compound is possible. So when butadiene is mixed with the benzophenone donor and is irradiated at 366 nanometer, then butadiene undergoes photochemical change to yield dimers. This is the dimers, you see. And butadiene 1 acceptor upon direct irradiation lead to produce product 2N3 via ring closing. So this is the only formation of ring, you see, and this is the formation of dimer. So dimer 3 product and ring closing 2 products. So in this process light is absorbed by benzophenone, which is donor, but reaction is taking place with the butadiene acceptor. Here benzophenone donor is functioning as a photosensitizer, while butadiene is a good acceptor and it has the 9 kilocalorie per mole less triplet energy than benzophenone. So look at here, you see S0 donor benzophenone HNO, it go singlet state donor, now intersystem crossing triplet state T1 still donor S0, now it is acceptor accepting, now donor ground states, this is the triplet acceptor and undergo dimerizations and forming dimers, this type of molecules. So if you have the singlet, triplet, acceptor, donor, then you will understand the photochemical reactions. So S0 to S1, this one is the ground state, this is excited states, intersystem crossing T1, here S0 to S1, so S1 to here intersystem crossing T1. So this is the benzophenone. So you look at the energy 74 kilocalorie per mole. Here total energy 120 kilocalorie per mole, S0 to S1. But if S1 this energy intersystem crossing, then it will convert it into triplet state, and that is the 60 kilocalorie per mole. So energy transfer. So intersystem crossing 1,3 butadiene and benzophenone. So benzophenone is donor and 1,3 butadiene acceptor. So benzophenone 69 kilocalorie per mole donor triplet energy transfer to 1,3 butadiene 60 kilocalorie per mole acceptor intermolecular energy transfer. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, share it, and thanks for watching.